Hello guys, welcome again to my channel all about lifestyle. So today's video is a DIY one and it is about Diwali candles. Using simple things like stones, pebbles, coaster, glass jar and potpourri. Yeah, even wooden sticks. Here is the glimpse. So let's get started with the video. The first DIY comes here where I am using a glass jar, potpourri, jute rope, scissor. Take the jar and wrap the jute rope over the glass jar. It is just simple. You have to fix it up by just rotating the glass jar. Now after fixing the rope, add some potpourri. The potpourri I got from a shop that is at home. Put a candle and it's ready. See how stunning it is. Now the second one, using stones. These are the white stones through which light can pass through. These stones you get from local market, roadside market or even from nursery. Now it's very simple. Take the stones, arrange them forming a circle. Then add the green colored stones inside the white stones, forming a circle again. Now just put a tea light candle and tada, it's ready. How gorgeous it is. You can use it on your coffee table or console table or even in your kitchen countertop. Now in the third DIY I am using some wooden sticks. I got these from a hardware shop. You can also get from your local hardware shop, or you can just ask like bhaiya nail fix karne wali lakdi de do and you can get it easily. So take these sticks using Fevicol, form this kind of square shaped structure by putting layers of stick. See, simply fix the sticks using Fevicol. Press it firmly. You will get this kind of structure and it's ready. So simple yet beautiful. In the same way I have made this one, and for this the wooden sticks I have used are from a carpenter shop. They have these kind of scraps so you can easily get from them. In this I have also used a glass jar. This is a simple glass jar. You can keep the tea light candle on this. Now place the small, see. Now the fourth one, here I am using river pebbles. These are white in color. I got from a local market near my residential area. Now just take the stones and using a marker make the faces. Here I am making the eyes. You don't have to be very perfect. Just enjoy making the faces. It is as per your choice. See how cute is this one. In the same way I am making different kinds of faces. I enjoyed very much making these kind of faces on pebbles. Now, using a two-way tape or the double-sided tape, fix them on a coaster, and this coaster I purchased from DMart. Coaster is going to be the base. Fix them properly. Use the tea light candle. You can see the cute arrangement is here for you. Oh my god, they are looking so cute. See, as if they are afraid of the light. I'm loving this one. Now for the last one, I'm using the same pebbles or stones. You just have to make mandala dots in this. For this I'm using Q-tip, toothpick and some acrylic colors. Here I am using the Fevicryl colors. These are neon ones. So you can see, using a Q-tip I am forming a dots on the stone. I enjoy playing with colors in this DIY. Hope you will also enjoy. Yeah, and the colors you can use as per your choice. You don't have to be perfect. Just simply use this method. The next one, where I'm using the yellow-green combo. Here I'm using the orange color. This is such a pop of color. Oh my god, the color is looking so beautiful on the white stone. Simply done. Now arrange them on the coaster like this. You don't have to use two-way tape, just simply put it on the coaster, and now place the tea light candle holder with a candle, and it's ready. See? I have some more pictures for you all. Just enjoy it. Hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell icon button. Thank you. Bye bye.